Viewers, what I'm about to show you may be disturbing. Hothead just finished his Zulrah kill for 2 Tanzanite fangs. Not 1, but 2 in a single drop. Next up, we'll join True Badass as he's currently gang piled by a team in multi. Now, it looks like he's out of food, so he tries to pull his redemption, which works, but in the process, drained his prey to 0, so he would be risking his AGS. Wasn't intentional, he was just trying to survive a bit longer. But as you see, he miraculously gets the protect back on to save the God Sword. It couldn't have gotten any more intense. That's for sure. Meanwhile, iCry has just picked himself up a challenge from Sherlock on his elite clue. It can't be too... Oh god, that sucks. This one is quite interesting by X-Slices. He finds some bots and decides to try saying their names. And what we notice here is it's like they have some pre-programmed response to deter people from thinking they're actually botting. Quite smart little critters. And lastly, finally, we have Mr. Zell's getting some decent luck on his elite.
Holy shit. First fucking elite clue ever. Third age range legs. Fucking SparcMacLlVE, baby.